Welcome back, my people. D-Mac again. Yes, my people, I'm in the UK now, and I'm in Sparbrook's area. And here I'm going to give you a walking tour of Sparbrook's. And a matter of fact, I'm going to meet up with a YouTuber from UK, and his name is Smile in the City. Yes, so he's supposed to be somewhere around here. Oh, see him over there. So I'm gonna go right over and meet up with him. Yes, guys, so we're gonna. All right. So here is my friend, guys.
Yes, guys, what's up, man? What's up, guys?
Yes, man, here's my friend here.
Yes,
Yes.
nice to be in the D-Max channel.
Yes.
It's absolutely a pleasure to be on his channel, guys. Listen, don't forget, you're on this channel. All you need to do is like, share, and most important, subscribe to D-Mac.
Yes,
yeah?
man.
Bring him up to the next level.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
He needs his support, and I know you guys out there can give him the support, so do the right thing and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, and
D-Mac 4K
4K World Tour.
Road Tour.
Yes.
Okay?
And guys, make sure you go and support my friend here.
Smiler in the city.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put his description in the link down below. So
Right.
go and support him. He need like 300 subscribers to make it to 1,000. So go and subscribe, guys. All right.
Yes, guy, I would really appreciate your support.
Yes,
And thank you in advance.
Yes.
Really appreciate it.
All right. So we're gonna tour together today, you know.
Yeah, come along with us and we'll show you what's happening in Sparkbrook. We're actually in Ladypool Road, and whatever we see, we'll bring it straight into you.
Right.
Okay?
Yes.
So let's go.
Yes. All right, guys. So we're gonna walk the street. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna walk over this side here, and my friend is over there. Yeah. So we're gonna just take a tour and see what it's all about today, you know? Yeah. Okay, so this is Sparbrook's, guys. Yeah. Yes. So I'm new to this area, guys. So I'm just gonna walk around and see the area, you know. So my friend is over there checking out the store. All right. This is the UK roundabout. Look at it. Yeah.
This road is I don't know what's happening. It's quiet.
It's very quiet today.
Very quiet today.
Oh.
They had one of these shops. It was on the TV now. I don't know exactly where it is. Oh, it's this one. This was on the TV.
This one here?
Yes, because they had a fire.
Oh.
Right. This is the one that had the fire.
Oh, this one here.
Yes.
Oh.
I've actually got a fire.
Okay.
Yes, guys. This is Shabbs shop that had the fire last week, and I think within 7 days it was back up and running.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
So that's the Shabbs.
That is fast.
Yeah.
Yes.
Within 7 days it was back up and running again.
Yeah,
after-
okay.
after
Okay.
the fire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe because it's during the week why it's so quiet,
Yeah.
and it's early in the day.
It's very quiet here, guys.
Yeah.
And it's about coming up to 11 o'clock.
Because most of the shops still close up.
It's not the Ladypool Road as back in the 80s and 90s. I don't know what's happening, but seems very, very quiet up here today. But there's a lot of takeaways shops up here.
Yeah. It's very quiet. As I said, it's because of the time, you know. Maybe later on it will get more busy. You'll find more shops open, you know. Yeah. Okay, zero pharmacy over there. Yeah, what's up? So it's Ladypool Road. So guys, comment and tell me where you would love me to go. Yeah, cause I'm open to anything, you know. Yeah. So as I say, um, I want to go as far as I can go in the world, you know, cause that's my dream. Yeah. Yeah. So as I said, things are a little bit quiet up this side today. Okay, so this is a bicycle shop right here. Yeah. have a car wash right here. Ladypool car wash. Yep. So you want to get the car clean, shine and nice? Yep. This is the place to be. Ladypool car wash. Yep. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And guys, remember, go and check out my friend channel. Yes. So I have a new friend now in UK. So please go and support his channel, guys. Alright. So catch you in the other one. Bye bye for now.
Right guys, that was Ladypool Road. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also, all my subscribers, please go across to DMAC 4K World Tour and subscribe to his channel. You've got DMAC 4K
World Tour.
World Tour.
Yes.
Go over to his channel, guys, and subscribe to his channel. Really appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
And also, guys, same for my channel.
Yes.
Smile in the City.
Yes.
Go and subscribe to the channel.
Right.
Yeah?
Yes. So
any last thing for the?
well, guess what? We are buddies now, so I guess my people, you're gonna see us very often together from now on.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So
we're gonna bring you guys some good contents. So do the right thing and subscribe to the channel.
You're right.
Right. See you in the next one. You take care. Have yourself a pleasant day.
All right.
Bye for now.
Yes, that's.